If you're new to this channel, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell notification so every time I upload a video, you'll get notified. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to do the 1-year review of my Alma Bb in Monogram Canvas. Okay, let's get started. The length of this Alma Bb features 9.8 inches by 7.5 by 4.7 inches, okay, in width. All right, so it's a monogram coated smooth cowhide leather trim. It's a textile lining and also gold hardware. It also have a zip double closure, a padlock. This is the padlock right here, and also it has a key bell. It has flat pockets where I normally put my charger in here. It also have 4 protective metal button studs. Okay, this one here with Louis Vuitton engraved in there. Okay, in your review, I can see there's some stain here. I got that closer look. Anyway, it's part of the bag that I know it's gonna get dirty. I tried to baby this bag. Removable strap. This one here, you can remove this. You can use this as a crossbody, but it's not adjustable. If you see the purse, it's like this before. It's kind of like white in color. And now because it's 1 year old, the patina change. Okay. As you can see, I have some stuff inside here and it's full. All right here. I'm carrying this keypad where I put my cards in here. It's hard to record when I'm using a camera on the other hand. You've seen it on some of my videos. Okay. All right. So I love this monogram. I also have the Victorine wallet that I use for this bag because it's a small purse. Okay, this bag, even though it's a very tiny Alma Bb, I also have a gift card here for $25. I don't know. It's my pass from work so I can get in. I also bring the charger all the time. I ran out of battery. I charge my phone. I have my Airpods and it's a Louis Vuitton case as well. I really love it. Okay, I have some sanitizer here because I always use a sanitizer everywhere I go. So I have some lipsticks here that I cut from my daughter. I have the Anastasia and I have some Stila here. The hardware is a kind of like dirty because I've been using this for a straight 1 month now. But I can see the wear and tear. I tried to remove it with wipes, it won't come off. The time I was wearing this and it rained, so I was hiding my purse inside my jacket. And very versatile bag. This will stay in my collection. I will not be selling this or I will not get rid of it. This is going to be my collection and I'm planning to BB as well. Okay, so as you can see, that's my purse, a new one. This costs when I bag. The code of this bag is inside this pocket right there. Okay, let's start putting some of my stuff inside. I didn't get a chance to clean it yet, but let's put something inside. Okay, so I normally carry this for every day. This is what I have every single day. I use my mini pochette. This is also a Monogram Canvas. I got this for a very long time, and this one is darker now. See, used to be the color, the same color as that, but it changes in color over time, so it's dark. I love this also, the mini pochette, because I put all my essentials in here. Going to put my wallet, and this is my Vuitton wallet. This one is the Damier Ebene print. It's also a Louis Vuitton. I will put this in here, okay, inside. Let's see if I still have room. See, as you can see, they still have room in there. All right, so I have this key pouch. Is also from Louis Vuitton. This is my pass to work. All right, I just put it in there. And I also carry my Airpods. It's also a Louis Vuitton Airpods case. See, I have my Airpods in there. Okay, so I have my sanitizer. I'm just gonna drop it there. Whatever. Yeah, it's inside in there. Okay, just give me a second. I'm just gonna try and close it. Okay, so it's closed. It looks full. Okay, so you can lock this. Some people, they lock it. I don't, because I always, this is easy to grab in things when you don't lock your purse. So I just carry it like that. It's handheld like this. Okay, you can also carry this on your arm, and at the same time you can also carry this crossbody. Okay, for crossbody, I don't really like using this one as a crossbody, because when you use this, it goes like this. It sways when you're wearing this as a crossbody, and the strap is not adjustable. So I just hold this like this when I use this purse, and it's very cute. It's very small. Okay, try to fold the strap like this, okay, and then hang it on my purse. It's kind of like an accessory, so I like it that way. If they change the color of the patina, they're always gonna change the same time. I was thinking of taking it out and just don't use it, but since I discovered that I can do that, so might as well. So it's gonna be even when it changes the color. Just clip it in there. This is how I carry this now. It's hanging on my purse. And if I really need to use this as a crossbody, I can just take it out from there and use it as a crossbody. So anyway, I hope you like it. This is one of my favorite Louis Vuitton, and it's been around for a long time. I think this purse is from 1934, if I'm not mistaken. Very popular Louis Vuitton purse. This is the one that I like the next. See, it's the same, and it shows out of stock in the website. This one, I don't have to worry about getting it dirty and stuff like that. Just wipe it and it should be okay. But I just decided to get the Monogram for a change. I tried the Monogram. Anyway, I hope you enjoy my video. If you want me to take videos of my purses, let me know in the comment below, and I'll see what I can do. All right. Thank you for watching.
like my video, please give me a thumbs up and hit the bell notification so every time I uploaded video, you'll get notified. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.